Hi friends, in this video, you are going to see Aptitude on profit and loss. Aptitude 8. A shopkeeper expects a gain of 22.5% on his cost price. If in a week, his sale was of 392 rupees, what was his profit? Option A, rupees 18.20, Option B, rupees 70, Option C, rupees 72. Option D, rupees 88.25. Pause the video, and try to solve the problem. Answer, rupees 72. Explanation. CP equals rupees 100 by 122.5 into 392 equals rupees 1000 by 1225 into 392 equals rupees 320. Therefore, profit equals 392 minus 320 rupees equals 72 rupees. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.